What are your 2026 real estate goals? What are your goals? Write those down. You don't have to write a book here. You can write just some bullet points. What are your goals? Your personal goals right now. Um, so I did a goal workshop with my 14 and my 12-year-old sons, and this is where I started. What are their goals for 2026? What do they want to accomplish? So we started there, and so take some time here, write out what your real estate goals are. And this is what I told them. I said, look, it's been proven time and time again that when you write down your goals, the potential to achieve those goals goes up exponentially. It doesn't guarantee you're going to reach your goals, but it sure does help. And why not? Why not write out your goals? Why don't when you write it out, you get to look at it, you get to think about, is that really my goal? I'm a huge fan of written goals. Brian, do you write down your goals?
Absolutely. And I review them once a week. It's just a habit. I've been doing it for 25 years.
Mm-hmm. It works. It works so well, and I do the same thing. I'm sure some of you, all, if you watch some of my our trainings, I'm a huge fan of the Getting Things Done methodology by David Allen, and he came out with it almost 25 years ago. And it's this method of write it down, get it out of your head, get it written down, and then get it to a place you can find it so that you can refer back to it. In this case, you're talking about once a week. That's exactly how to do it because you're always triangulating. You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live. If this is something you haven't even thought of before, you're like, I didn't even think about my real estate goals. Maybe your goal is as simple to do your first deal. So Brian and I, we have been doing these interviews with graduates of our mentorship program. A graduate is somebody who's made $500,000 net profit, like the real profit in their bank account. Made $500,000 in real estate with us. And we do these interviews periodically. And one of the things we've asked them, Brian, is what is your most memorable deal? And what do they always tell us?
Always the first deal.
Always.
You'll never forget your first. Good, bad, ugly, it doesn't matter. It's
Yep.
what makes this business real.
What do you see there, Brian? What are some interesting goals?
Let's see. First deal closed. Sell my primary and reinvest.
Mm.
So someone that wants to improve their personal situation, it looks like.
Hmm.
Invest in housing, land, and property. Big goals there.
Yeah.
But we want to define those goals too. We want to really whittle down to what is achievable. What is it you mentioned about most people underestimate what they can accomplish in 5 years, but they overestimate what they can do in a
Mm.
year.
I got to tell you, John, I love what you wrote here. You want it to be a situation where your wife could retire so she could be home with the kids. Um, Brian and I both have quite a few kids. Brian's got me beat. That's okay. It's not a competition, but he's got me beat. And that is something that's a really special goal. That's great. Flip a few houses for a profit of 200,000 or more. Troy, gotta love that specificity. Yes, sir. I love it. I think those are the kind of goals that get achieved because it's specific. It's a few deals, profit of 200K. Is that realistic, Brian? Can someone make 200K on a few deals?
It's going to take a few deals. It depends, of course, on your market, what you focus on, and if you're doing the right deals, as we're always going to point out. So definitely attainable, but something you're going to have to grow into.
Yeah, yeah. I think the reality is it's very very much a possibility. We've got a deal right now that I funded. It was 250,000 was the purchase price, and went on the market after just a little bit of cosmetic fix up for 350, and just locked in a buyer this week at 400,000. All right, now I know there's some expenses and all that kind of stuff, but that's over $100,000 profit, way over. So yes, that can absolutely be done. Uh, can certainly be done. All right, what else we have here? See this one: make at least 150,000 in real estate deals in 2026. Yes, they're very much attainable. It's so possible for you to do that. We have been coaching and mentoring real estate investors for 20 years. In fact, some of America's most successful investors got their start with us. Here's what our apprentices have to say about working with us.
Freedom Mentor was probably one of the biggest blessings I've had in my life.
For us, it's been life changing, hands down. Couldn't even think about not doing this, right? And what a missed opportunity if I had not done it.
And you can be next. Learn more about our program in the top right corner. Excellent. So I'd like to purchase an apartment building in a bigger city like Chicago. Yes. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of success with multifamily. You probably may have seen in the past, we were such big fans of short-term rentals, and we made a lot of money with those. But that market's been saturated. Legislation or just local governments, along with lobbyists from the hotel industry, have really put a damper on that. And meanwhile, it's shifted, and multifamily is, especially Class B and Class C, has just been fantastic. Buying a single family rental in the Poconos. Well, that would be a vacation rental market, right? Acquire a foreclosed property in New Hampshire to flip or hold and rent. Okay, great goal. See, very specific, right on target. I'm actually going to burst your bubble in a little bit. There's not that many foreclosures. You don't actually need a foreclosure, but love where your head's at there. Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.